Welcome to RVS Data Conversion. In this video we will discuss about Server 360 form-filling auto-typing software. Step 1. Log into Server 360 data entry work. Step 2. Open RVS Form-filling auto-typing software. Step 3. Upload required Excel file. Step 4. Select required form and click on title box. That's it, very simple and easy. Data image to Excel conversion Tema will do with high accuracy. Let's go to detail view. This is Server 360 form-filling data entry work. Server 360 auto-typing software types everything with high accuracy including calculation part also. Open RVS form-filling auto-typing software. Upload required Excel into auto-typing tool. Adjust speed and delay in auto-typing application. Select required form in auto-typing app and click on Start button. Click on the title box of Server 360 project software. Now observe the magic. Auto-typing software fills entire form in few seconds. Just verify the data clearly and submit. Go to next form and do cyclic process until the end. Unlock success with RVS auto-typing software. Boost your productivity and achieve more with our smart automation tool. Here's how it helps you. 1. Save valuable time, complete tasks faster with 100% automation. 2. Stress-free, enjoy smooth, effortless performance even during long working hours. 3. Increase your profits, hit higher targets and maximize your earnings with ease. Start using RVS auto-typing software today and experience the power of automation. Thanks for watching. Contact +91 970 430 5784.